Hold my beer, I'm gonna go catch a gator.
What's the best way for us to catch a crocodile right now?
Well, naturally with your hands, if you're gonna do it. But
Grab it by its
I
tail and drag
would
it.
not suggest it.
Can we just shoot him, Elizabeth?
Get down in there and noodle.
Grab him by the tail, and you gotta be walking backwards after you grab him so he can't turn around and snap you. Once you wear him out, grab him by the head.
Once you wear him out.
Yeah.
That's an important key to this.
Right.
Like a little Who among us is the most ready to
12
catch
inches
an
will bite
alligator?
too. Anywhere's good. I mean, if they got an alligator right there and if he wants to catch it, right there is a perfect spot.
Well, there's a big one out there.
Let's go.
Yeah, there's a real big one.
15-footer out there. I'm looking like McDonald's to it.
Catch that one, dude. Go for a smaller
No,
one.
you're too tough.
My size.
I'd like a piece of conduit. Hold my beer, I'm gonna go catch a gator.
Yes, and
Yeah, we were all wandering around here looking for quads and could have been getting eaten.
But they wouldn't be in this part right there. We were like in the.
Could.
What does that sound?
The big one, you just better hope he doesn't get in the water. Come here, alligator. Come here, buddy. Come here.
Alligator call.
You don't want to hurt you. You just want to put tape on your mouth and pet you.
you know what we need is a piece of chicken on a string.
Wait, that's why we brought Tim.
Come here, you alligator.
Everywhere else walk by the actual bait, right?
It's like we're following the.
Holy shit!
So we just saw, you can't really see it with this shot, but right in the water,
He's right there.
his giant head is bigger than me.
Yeah, look at him. He's just laying there.
But they're moving around like there's something there.
Maybe something. Goes out like a fucking.
I want to say.
You are getting that on film, right?
When the fish start jumping, that means there's something there. They're nervous.
Jumping out of the water.
Yeah, they're like freaking. I saw a tail right here. But that means if it comes up here, it means it's probably bigger than me. And
Well, he went under. He's gone. He's not out.
Because he's probably on his way over here
That's
too.
usually traveling speed. It's faster down low because he can use his tail and his feet. Yeah, but I would get for like a remote control alligator right now.
We were just like anything that come out of the water, man, would be awesome.
Trying to catch a baby gator. But there's a big one out there and he's making me nervous. So far mission failed. So far. So we're gonna go on the other side where we had eyes on a bunch of baby gators possibly. And we might get a little crazy over there. We'll see.
Don't go this way.
The problem is they want money.
Cross this fence.
Assume the position. Right now we are doing what is officially called alligator scouting. It's a time-honored tradition here in Louisiana that is just used to locate the mother alligator and then from there the baby alligators, which Sean is planning to capture.
There's gonna be so much good footage of this adventure. You kidding me?
Definitely get these shots for you. I was taking video of it.
You're like by the time all by himself.
That's determination right there.
He's like a little kid looking for a candy bar or some shit. He's like, oh, one.
Walk around the neighborhood
Saw
trying
like
to get
4 of
candy.
them driving in.
Same thing happened in Australia. I tried to find a funnel web spider. I ended up going to the museum or the zoo to see a little giant.
Wait, you gotta say somebody hold my beer.
failed again. Failed at the drone race and failed at my gator hunt. All I caught was some mosquito bites. That's it.
Hold on. You got it?
Wow, you can reach all the way
got a back reach.
What are you gonna do? Pinch me? Holy crap!
Just don't let him get your pilot finger. Oh, you got it!
No real steady. We sneak. Buzzer.
Oh my god. I already had a frog jump on.
What up, little guy? What up?
We'll kiss Alex.
No.
Yum.
Go do that to Shawnee. He's really afraid.
Does all the strategy. Oh shoot.
Is that guy alive? He's alive. Where'd you get him?
He's in the field.
Woo!
Oh, it's crawfish.
This was in the parking lot.
What's up? I mean, they have a fix coming. I don't know if they've come through yet, but that's all I know.
How bad?
Oh, heck, yeah. I'll eat him.
He said they have an issue. My men's hand is floating them and they think that they're fine.
Get a squats.
Hey, they match. Is this your teammate?
Cut off his antenna.
How quickly do you think he'd die if he shorted these?
Just keep let me know when it's
Yeah, we took pictures.
Yeah, we got him earlier.
Where's the bud?
Get him!
Get him there.
Hey.
Hell no.
He's like, yo.
Hell no.
He's like, high five.
What's up?
High five. Doesn't bite you, dude. Or pinch you.
He already tried to cut off Corey Ibanez's antenna.
Oh, he's scared.
Dude, I'm gonna go see me.
He's like,
dude, you can't be just dropping him into my.
little dude, man. Look at him.
Come on. Fucking piece of shit.
Poor little dude. He's scared.
He dropped it into my hand.
Like smoking some weed.
Let him pinch you.
The coolest thing I found all morning.
Don't do it.
Dude, I wanted to sweeten the earrings though, man.
Together, the harder they get.
You're supposed to rip the head off and eat it raw.
I like how you got your hair ready for this morning. It looks like you combed it right now.
You can smell all the guts from
I
yesterday.
can't believe he found that.
Yeah, go put him in the trough full of the other dead ones.
My hands aren't tough enough for that.
I think he's earned his freedom today. He doesn't need to be
Well, this
free.
isn't freedom out here. I mean,